Going on, action figure fans? Centex Collector here with another Apex Legends figure. This one's named Lifeline. Got this from Ross for like $3, so we'll see if it'll be good fodder. These are number 2 as well, number 18. These are made by Jax. They used to make wrestling figures back in the day. So we'll see if this will fit in with my G.I. Joe classified figures. This one's kind of beat up when I got it, so it's got a little filler piece there. And here's some other figures. A Caustic you saw I did a review for. I probably won't get that one. Here we go in the plastic. Go ahead and crack her out. Alright, so just first impression. It's a solid figure here. So let's look at the accessories. We got another stand with the A on it for Apex Legends. It doesn't fit classified figures. Let's see if these, because you think these peg holes were too. Okay, that does fit in there. I gotta check my Amazon stand, see if they work. I know these peg holes were too, these on these stands were too small for classified. But let's see. Okay, yes, they will fit on here. So kind of sit. Either I'll have to put it way back there or the other way, but that's good. My Amazon stands will work. And she's got some little medevac type, medical type. Oh, this is supposed to be a chair. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, but got that. And she's got like a futuristic looking pistol looking thing. Pistol. And the figure itself, she's pretty cool. Fine, she was named Lifeline. Not sure. Some Chinese or Japanese lettering there. And then she's got like a peg here on her back. So I don't know. She has no holster. Everything's kind of molded on. It's the bad thing with these Apex figures. But she looks pretty good figure. Yeah, all these are just kind of molded on. Yeah, it's rubber. Gloves. Like a medical pouch thing there. IV. Yeah, I think she'll work good with classify. We'll take a look closer later to see how she really works. Let's look at the articulation here. So feet, her pants are really low, so not much foot articulation there. I mean, her feet move, but it's hard because the pants, no lower leg movement. And I thought she has other, yeah, she's got like a, I don't know if you want to call that, yeah, I guess she's got a double jointed knee actually. It's low, but so she's got a weird double jointed knee system there, but she does have double jointed knee. No lower leg movement. Upper leg movement. Yeah, so she's got upper leg movement actually right here. And then she's got movement pretty restricted because all the stuff she's got going on her legs, but she's got leg movement. The waist is different than Joe's, the way it's set up there. Hands. I'm not seeing. Looks like she might have some wrist articulation. Looks like it's supposed to be right there. I don't think these hands are popping off. She does have double jointed elbows. She's got upper arm movement here. And her arm, she's got movement this way. And then looks like she should be able to get up. Yeah, so she can get up beyond 90 degrees with this ratcheted type arm system there. But no butterfly joint like Hasbro. Torso, slight left right, but not really much. No up down, just not much really in the torso. Head, she got left right. No up down in the head, just left right. So she is pretty restricted articulation wise. I'm not sure what this is on her back. I'm assuming it's more medical stuff. Almost looks like a jet booster. So I don't know. But I don't know why she has a peg on the back, unless that's where she holds her pistol, maybe. Guess you could wrap around and grab it like that. But I'm digging her though. I mean, she'll be a good little, because we don't have Lifeline in G.I. Joe Classified yet. So she's gonna definitely be a little medic. Let's see how she compares to other figures in this scale. So if we take Red Skull, it's a little on the smaller side for so she's kind of measuring up. She's female, so she should be a little shorter as well. And if we got one of the twins here, so she doesn't look bad. And then Action Force figure. Let's find a let's find a classified female. So we look at Shooter. Looks like she's actually about the same size as Shooter. Well, if we look at movie Scarlet, so I'd say she's definitely comparable, if not bigger. She's definitely got more, like her legs and everything are bigger, just the way they made it. But yeah, she's definitely comparable, or if not bigger than the female. So yeah, I think this is going to be a win to throw her into my classified, actually. A little medic here. Yeah, I mean, articulation's not horrible. I mean, it's not Hasbro, but yeah, I'm digging it. Not bad for $3 at Ross. Caustic just wouldn't work, but I think I can make her work. Yeah, it's a good little figure. So, but yeah, guys, like I said, just something different for you guys. Apex Legends. I'm always looking at something to mix in with my Joeverse. $3. If you can find a Ross, why not? If you're into the classified line or military figures or whatever, I mean, maybe you could put her in Legends. I don't know. Whatever universe you got going on in your collection. But yeah, $3. I'm digging it. But there we go, guys. Lifeline, Apex Legends, 6-inch figure. Like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.